Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Me too, I'm fine. So let's attempt these questions, guys, and see what we shall get. So I will start with Roman 1. I hope there will be enough time for me even to do Roman 2. So let's start. I read the question, evaluate each of the following definite integral. So these are the type of the questions that guys we use substitution, and most of the times we actually substitute cos x with u. But guys, let's see what happens. So I'll come here and write alright, this is 0, then we have pi over 4, like that. I can change this one to be sine, that is sine squared theta, and then sine theta, like that. And finally I can write cos theta, d theta, like that. But guys, there is something I want to do, because I want to replace my cosine, this cosine, with u. But before I do that, guys, let me just go another step further and I show you what I want to do. I go, that is from 0 to pi over 4. So I'll write the signs, and this cos, this sign I'll write it at the end. So I write like sine squared theta, then I can write cos theta, and I finally write the sine, and then d theta. So from there, guys, what I'll do, I will now come and say let. I say let u be equals to cos theta, like that. By saying that let u be equals to cos theta, I will need to change this. But before I do that, guys, let me first of all find the du d theta, that is du d theta and this one is going to be, with respect to cos theta, you get minus sine theta, like that, guys. So now, guys, I can now come and move my d theta from this position. I move it to this position. So I can come like, I multiply here by d theta, also multiply here by d theta, so that this one will cancel, and now I'm left with negative sine theta d theta. So guys, you can notice that here we have sine theta d theta, and we have something that looks like that. So now, guys, if I replace, substitute cos theta with u, having converted this one to cos theta by use of trigonometric ratios, then I would have finished theta, and that's what I'm supposed to do, guys. I replace theta with u and d theta with du. So guys, we continue. Slow but sure. So we shall have now 0 there, you have pi over 4, like that. So now I come and replace, first of all, I write sine squared theta in terms of cos. That one is written as 1 minus cos squared theta. This one is from trigonometry, guys. So if you have not revised trigonometry, or if you are not remembering, go and refer back to trigonometry identities and you find this one represent that. So from there, guys, now I can write my cos squared here. This is cos, is it squared? Is actually not squared, it's just cos theta. And then I can come and replace my du, because what, guys, we are doing, we want to replace u. We cos theta with u. So we will have to have everything having cos except the constants. So finally, sine theta d theta, we can now replace it by du. But remember, there is a negative here. So this negative, I can put it somewhere here, like that. So that now I come and now replace my sine theta d theta with du. So finally, guys, or almost finally, we are going to end up with now u, when we come now to replace the u, cos theta with u. So let's continue. We shall have minus integral from 0, remembering that this integral is in regard to theta. So we'll have also to convert the integral limits. That's why I have written like that, guys. So that now we have, replacing now cos theta with u, you will have 1 minus, this is now u squared, and then here we have u, and then here we have the du. So guys, what we need now to replace is actually now the 0 here and pi over 4. So we'll come and say u is equals to cos theta. And therefore, for us, these ones were for theta. Now we want to get the u. So in our lower limit, we shall have cos 0. Of course, all of us knows that cos 0 is equals to 1. And then we'll have pi over 4. So this is 1. And then pi over 4, which is now 45. We shall have cos 45. For cos 45, using the calculator, this is going to be cos 45 equals to 0.7071. So we write there 0.7071, like that. So guys, after replacing that, now we come and now place our figures here now, whereby now we have 1. Here we have 0.7071. Then we have this. Guys, we can now multiply. That is 1 minus u squared multiplied by u. So we shall have remembering we have a negative there, we shall have 1 u minus u raised to 3, like that, du. We now go ahead and integrate. So for us to integrate, I can put this minus inside here, so that we shall now have, something like this, guys. That is 1, that is 0.7071. Then this one will now be u cubed, because we multiply that and that, minus now u du. Guys, now we come and integrate. So when you integrate this, you'll have u, 3 plus 1 is 4, all over 4. This is the way we integrate. Minus u, this is now 1 plus 1, 2, all over 2. So that is how we do, guys. We now come, guys, and put our limits. Up here we have 1. Here we have 0.7071, like that. So now we can replace our limits in this equation. So this one is going to be, we place first of all 0.7071 here, and then minus, we replace now then with 1. So let's start off with 0.7071. So we shall have 0.7071. This one is raised to 4, all over 4, minus the same 0.7, that is 0, this is where the point is. Our point is here, 0.71. This is squared. You now put here 2. So that's what we are doing. And then minus, we come and now replace u with 1. So this is 1 raised to 4, all over 4. Of course, it remains as 1, minus 1 raised to 2, all over 2. So guys, this is our now solution, and let's see what we get. By use of the calculators, we calculate that. So that one is going to be, I use a calculator. Maybe let me just do it offline, guys, and then I can give you the values. So guys, after calculation, I've been able to establish that 0.062 minus 0.249 will give us that. Then minus 0.25 minus 0.5, this one gives us that. And that is minus, and we have also a minus here. So when I have now done this, I've been able to get 0.063. So guys, this is our solution, guys. So guys, maybe what I would like to explain is this, is when it comes to replacement, guys, what we have done is that we have replaced. We have used cos for replacement, because what we need is to change this equation so that instead of reading liter as we have, we would have something simpler to solve, and that one is now converted into u, where we have our limits being u, and then not our limits, our equation, with of course u as our limit. The lower limit is 1, and the upper limit here was 0.7071, like that. So guys, that's how we do that question. you can try to follow it up and see whether you can be able to understand. So guys, thank you. God bless you.